Hello everyone, so here is a quick video on how to start farming AI agent protocol. And whatever I say in this video, the same is applicable when you want to farm it using your mobile device and on your Mrs. or Kiwi browser, right? So but I'm using PC for convenience, okay? So but you can use your mobile device, use your Kiwi or Mrs. browser. So to get started, just click on that link that will come with this video wherever you're watching it from, and when you get to this place, click on that connect wallet, and then you click on connect again, and then you choose MetaMask. If you have any other EVM wallet you can use, but I have MetaMask here. So click on it and then connect, wait for it to load a bit, then you confirm again your wallet. The same process when you are using browser. Now you have to confirm your referral code. Okay, when you click on the link that will come with this video, wherever you're getting it from, either Telegram, TikTok or YouTube, you will have the link here. So you just have to click on confirm, right? Now when you click on confirm, then you wait for a while. You're going to see referral code validated. Now you can see by that confirmation alone we have received 1,000 points, and then these are the social tags we need to complete. Okay, connect your X first. Click on X, and then you wait for it to load up. You authorize the app to connect your X. Make sure you are connecting to you have logged into your X already before you do that. And then I don't know what this social account is, but this is Discord. You click on Discord, and then you authorize to link your Discord. So you are just going to be, adding these socials, right? So you can see we have received 3,000 points now. Now, aside that, these are other social tasks we need to complete. So we're going to be clicking on them one after the other. This one say follow leader AI agent protocol with this and that. We're going to be clicking on them one after the other, and we are going to complete them. So let's start with the first. Okay, we click on it, and then we'll be redirected to our X. Okay, click on start now. Click on start, and then you'll be taken to your X. Okay, there's nothing else you need to just to follow the AI agent protocol. So you follow, and then you go back and click on verify, right? The same process we are using phone. Now you click on the second one. The other one is verifying. Now you click on the second one, and that is also going to take us to this place. You click on start, you'll be redirected to your X again. And what you need to do this time on that second one is written there already, just to repost. Click on repost. There's something that have been automated for you to just to click on repost. Now you might just want to wait for this short video to finish before you go back to the agent site for easy verification. Okay, just wait for it, just some seconds, right? So that when you click on verify, you'll be verified immediately. That task will be verified immediately. So let's go back now, and then we'll continue with the verification. Now you click on verify. You wait for it to verify, and it's verifying. Then you click on the next task. There are 4 tasks actually. We've done 2, and then 2 is remaining. Click on the next. Click on the next, and then this one has to do with leaving a comment and pasting the link to the comment you have left on X. So we'll click on start, and we'll be taken to X, right? And what do we need to do? Just leave a comment under this video, under this post. So click on that message icon, and then leave a nice comment, whatever you feel like leaving. Okay, then you click on reply to post it, and then you scroll down, right, and you click on the share icon. This is the post, the share icon on the comment you just made. Copy the link. The same process if you're using phone. You just click on the share button or share icon. Now paste the link when you get back to the agent site, then click on submit, and then it will also verify itself. Now let's click on the last. Okay, just click on the last, which is just to like the post, the same post, right? And just give it a like. Give it a like, and then that's all you need to do. You go back to the AI agent, okay, site. You might also want to wait for this video to finish so that when you click on verify, you'll be verified immediately. That is all you need to do to complete this. Now you see that by the completion of these 4 tasks, we've received 4,750. This is where you click now to get your referral link. It's one of the tasks as well. So you click on it and you'll be taken to X to share your referral code. You click into your X account. So you don't need to do any other thing. It's just for you to, there's a message that I've constructed already just for you to click on post. Okay, you can read through, but your referral link, you can also get it from here. Okay, now this is your referral link. This is your referral link. So you copy it and then you can share with others, right? And share with others. So we are done with the tax. This is your link that I was talking about. You go back to the agent site and you can see we have accumulated a total of you see all these ones, all these tax, all these agent community, agent XP plus, agent launch and all that, they are soon coming or coming soon. So for now, we've done all we need to do on this side. We just have to wait for updates. So we have accumulated a total of 6,500 points, and that's basically all we need to do. All these ones you are seeing, they are coming soon. So you might want to join our Telegram channel or subscribe to this channel or this page so that you'll be getting daily updates on Web3 projects. Many thanks for watching this video. That's all we need to do. Please, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.